Hi, and welcome to ECIT Sign. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can create documents to send out for signing. To get started, log into portal.ecitapps.com and click on Sign. Sign Portal will open up in a new tab, and from this dashboard, you will be able to create your documents to send out for signing. Click on Create New, Create Document, and from this page, will be the first steps for setting up your documents for your customer. Start by adding the title for the document. You can also personalize your emails. You can add one or multiple PDFs for the customer to sign, but you also can change the PDF from signing to only be as an attachment. As you can see here, there are two PDFs that are now ready to be sent out for signing. You can now change from the drop-down menu from signing to only be as an attachment. Proceeding to sending out this document, you will then be able to add your new recipients. You add first name, last name, and the email for the person. You can add one person or multiple if you would like. In this particular example, I will send this document to myself. To add a new recipient, just follow the same process. Before sending out for signing, it is worth noting that you can click on Information and Settings and set additional settings, such as signing deadline. You can require authentication, forward the document, but also adding a tag. Now that you are happy with this document, click on Send for signing, confirm, and the recipient will now receive an email stating that they have a document to sign. This is how the email will be looking like for the recipient. There will be a button for them to click, and they will be redirected to the document you just created. Once the document is signed from the customer, you will receive an email saying that it is now signed. You can open the document from your email, but also you can see from the portal with a new status that all participants have signed, and you can also access the log to see all the events from the customer as well. From the dashboard itself, you will now see all the documents that has ongoing you created, but also signed as well with tags that is custom. With the search filter, you can search for the tag itself or the title of the contract. This was a short introduction to our sign services. If you have any question, please reach out and we will assist you. Thank you for watching this tutorial or walkthrough for our sign portal.